Welcome to VW Themes. Best Premium WordPress Theme. Home for Best Professional WordPress Theme. We provide more than 120 premium WordPress theme, with expert team support. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe and share button. Today we're going to discuss how to open a link in new tab in WordPress website. How to open link in new tab in navigation menu. Go to Dashboard. Click on Appearance. Click on Menu. Here check out your menu structure. Check the home page navigation menu. Click on Down menu option. You cannot see Open in new tab option, for this you have to scroll up and click on Screen option. Click on Link Target. Scroll down, open the menu item you're working on. Click down arrow. Now you can see Open link in new tab option. Now go to Blog menu option. Click on down arrow. Select the option Open in new tab. Click on Save menu. Now go to your website. Click on Blog navigation menu option. And here you can see it open in new tab. In this way you can open link in new tab in navigation menu. How to open link in new tab in blog or post. Go to Dashboard. Click on Post. Click on All Post. Click on Edit option on all post. Want to add a link on this page? Select the text and add anchor. Click on Link icon. Click on Setting icon. Add the URL that you want to link. Select in Open in New Link tab option. Click on Update. Click on Update. Click on View option. Here click on Text, has it open in new tab. In this way we can open link in new tab for post. Now how to open a link in new tab. With VW WordPress theme. Don't need to do those steps. With VW theme we can do it in easy steps. Click on Customizer. Now scroll down. Click on Menu. Select Primary menu option. Select Home page drop option. Click on Open in new tab option. And similarly for blog option. Click on Publish. Now click on Blog option. In this way you can open Link tab. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe and share on this video.